Got some fish. Got some fish. I got two fish ones. Mama, I got two fish.
You're the
You're the mama.
I'm the mama?
Yeah.
And who are you?
But I'm catching fish.
What's your name?
I'm Jonathan.
Oh, you're catching fish? And who's that over there?
Mine.
Oh, that's
Packing.
what does Amai do?
He's packing.
Packing.
To go.
Where's she going? Oh, Amai travels all the time?
No, mine going. No.
Where's Amai going?
I'm going to buy fish.
Oh, you're gonna buy, but John Touch is catching the fish. So we don't need to buy fish. You can buy something else. You going shopping?
Yeah.
What are you shopping for?
Peanut butter.
Okay.
We need peanut butter at my house.
At Amai's house, okay.
On my house. Touch is standing here to catch some fish
Oh, okay.
with the windows.
Okay. Oh, so this is the water over here?
Mine, there's a little bug is dead.
Okay.
Which one?